That tambor. Get a little heartburn. All right, we're gonna do this. We is gonna do this.
What are we doing?
We're gonna take a shot, baby.
Take a shot.
We're gonna celebrate.
Chase it with the churro.
Chase it with the churro. I'm gonna guess exactly. Very much those vibes. Hello, good morning. All right. These things are, what is it called again? No, she said she was out of Casa Azul.
No, it's a different.
Casa Azul, but which one?
This is gonna be for you guys. Whenever
Thank
you guys
you.
are ready, take your
Thank you. Thank you so much, friends. Okay. So I had everybody on my Instagram guess what Ryan's gift was. And everybody started guessing watches, Louis Vuitton. They started guessing so many other stuff. And I'm gonna show you guys Ryan's Father's Day present right now.
Why is this one so little?
Because I cut the bottom of it, babe. It's because I can't eat the whole churro. I can only eat half of it, so I just cut the leg. Ready to show them, babe? Show them. Show him the wing. Ryan got his ring. It is so freaking nice. Look at it. Monolith for us, daddy. Monolith. Like this. Like this. A meeting. A meeting. Yeah, and some of y'all guessed it right. Some of y'all guessed that I got him a ring. Some of y'all guessed it right. So we're gonna take some shots to celebrate. I was telling him, let's go live in the page because the girls are asking what was the surprise. Look how it sparkles. Baby, you're going too fast. I want to enjoy the moment. Are you trying to come and run? Why you want to do it so fast? I need your juice. That's not apple juice. That's tequila. I don't know if I can take it all. Okay, ready? You go first. Cheers to love and honor. If you can't come in her, come on her. Cheers. We're not coordinated. We're not meant to be. Wait, drink a little bit of squirt. Oh shit. Tell me how it tastes, babe. I could never. Ooh, I'll put on the ring when you're ready. That lipstick and the wig make it look. Really, Kathy? Oh, thanks for your comment. I know, it's so nice. And he's been fucking up these not nachos. Churros. Look at him. Tell him to model it. I know. They want to see it, baby, again. And over and over again. Let's put our hands together. This is my ring, and then this is his ring. Hold on. Mine is all cricket. Toda chueca. Kisses. 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 Ring night. I know. I'm excited. Do you like it, baby? All right, let me take my shot. Ryan took his. I don't know if I can take the whole thing. All right, I'm gonna try my best. I got a little. What is this? 7-Up or?
Yeah, Sprite.
Sprite. That shit is strong, babe. Ugh. I couldn't even finish it. That shit's so strong. I'm gonna have to drink. I'm gonna have to take a little churro. Look at his ring. I posted it on my Instagram a little bit more. Hello from San Antonio. Hello. He said, "Did you say yes, babe?" To the ring.
I can't say no after she said yeah, so I had to go with it.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah,
you're.
for the ring.
Oh my god, you're so mean. You see how mean he is? He's like, I did it. I said yes for the ring.
Never.
Yes, not for us. You're drunk. You drunk. All right, you drunk. Okay, you're done. You're done. I guess it's only because of the ring, friends. Somebody come get your uncle. I'm just kidding. I love it. We were going in between. There was an all silver one, and there was one that had silver and then black on the inside. But I like this one because he is such a big fan of black. Like his whole brand is all black. So I'm like, it literally looks perfect because you always wear black. I know his favorite. It's his favorite color. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of take a shot with you guys and celebrate because we would not be nearly anyone without you guys. Me putting the light on him, he's like, okay, that's enough. Are you gonna eat the rest of the churros?
I'm waiting for you to so I can.
Oh, he's like, put the phone down and we'll eat more churros. Okay, say bye to everyone, baby. With your ring, go like this. You're too close. You can't see anything. One more time. Someone just messaged us. His name is Kevon Coley, and he said, I need some sex.
Me too.
We're in the same struggle. We're in the same boat. All right, ladies. Ryan is going to ignore the camera. We're going to dance out here. Thank you.
Of course. Did you want to finish what we're talking about?
Yes, I'll finish this one.